wealth these languages carry. About 6 weeks ago, an experience at the University of Ghana brought this reality home to me in a very personal way. A group of our young graduates and students on their own initiative and supported by their mentor, Professor Aba Appiah, are developing an AI assistant called Aba AI. It's designed to support students, prospective students, and staff with information about programs, admissions, courses, policies, and campus life. I didn't know about this till a week earlier when I was told, and I was keen to learn more. It is still in its trial phase, but one of its most interesting features is voice-to-voice interaction, where users can listen to their responses in what is intended to be my voice.
Promotion to senior lecturer is based on teaching, research, scholarly works, university service.
On 30th of April this year, I invited the team to my office to demonstrate the system, and I must say I was impressed. The voice sounded largely like me, I thought, like about 85 to 90%, until it didn't. The moment the system encountered distinctively Ghanaian or African names of people or places, the quality dropped significantly. Pronunciations became distorted. Even the mention of my own name no longer sounded like me. And in that moment, something became very clear. The issue is not the sophistication of the AI. The issue is the data. There simply are not enough recordings of my voice or voices like mine engaging with Ghanaian languages in digitally accessible formats. So the system can produce me in English with considerable success, but struggle to reproduce me in my indigenous linguistic environment. And the proposed solution, I've been asked to spend time in a recording studio reading Ghanaian names, phrases, and text so that the system can better learn and reproduce these linguistic patterns. The team of young enthusiasts are still working with my PA to get that dedicated time for this assignment. What is at stake here is before the AI can be authentic and represent me fully, I must first make myself digitally available in our indigenous languages. Now, this may sound like a small technical adjustment, but it is in fact a profound illustration of the broader challenge facing African languages. And this brings us back to a central point. Representation in AI is not simply about adding languages as labels. It is about embedding the full richness of how these languages are spoken, lived, and used.